I don't know what the hell just happened, but did y'all know that parrots can live up to be 100 years old? And did you also know that Andrew Jackson, the president that's on the 20, he had, I think, if I'm not mistaken, correct me if I'm wrong, but it might have been him or not. But we're gonna say Andrew Jackson had a parrot, and the parrot came to his funeral, and the parrot had to be escorted out the funeral because it wouldn't stop cussing.
God damn it! What the fuck did you put in this bird seed?
Introducing Incognito. Tastes like meat made from plants.
Moo.
We promise. This plant.
Now, how the hell it tastes like meat if it's from plant?
But you should.
What y'all the hell y'all done did to that? How is it made from plants but tastes like meat? That don't even make sense. Yeah, what's going on, everybody, man? This is your boy Dave. Today I'm bringing y'all another reaction video. Another video is called People versus Animals. Funny fails. Yeah, I got dyslexic. I'm dyslexic. It's confirmed. If y'all new to this channel, y'all make sure y'all hit that like, y'all comment, subscribe, things of that nature. With that being said, let's go directly into this video.
I know. You should like come towards me. Maybe I'll try to ride you. The one thing about these pigs, they love the mud.
Pig. Quick question. How old are y'all? Since when the hell the pigs come with all that much hair? When they get that much, every time I seen a pig on the video, they didn't have no hair. They was just a pink pig. I know, bro, that look like a wolf or something, a dog, a bear. There's no way that's a pig. That really is a pig.
I hope I got that on video.
Oh, you definitely got it on video, son. Send it to Fail Army.
No, this is my cheeseburger. My cheeseburger. Get down, get down.
I ain't never seen a cat try to eat your food. A dog, I can understand. You know, my hatred for cats has just risen to a whole new level that's unexplainable by humans. To explain this, you have to be a alien.
This is what I deal with every time I eat. Negan steals my food. You'd think
You better than me, because I would have slapped the dog. I just would have slapped shit out of him. Just bag up, man. Did he just bite your... That dog kinky. That dog... Oh, hold on, dog. Oh. Oh. That dog for the boys. I like that dog. I don't like this one, though. I don't know what the hell he finna do. You know what? I like him. That's a good open field tackle. The Eagles need a good corner that can tackle. Sign that dog up. Damn, that either you weak or that dog strong. One of the two. Probably a combination of both.
Ow. And as soon as I turned around, he took off both things. I went off thing.
And busted she dropped.
No, this is a pumpkin. It's a pumpkin for Boo. For Boo and for Arthur. Yes, it's a pumpkin.
I don't know what the hell just happened, but did y'all know that parrots can live up to be 100 years old? And did you also know that Andrew Jackson, the president that's on the 20, he had, I think, if I'm not mistaken, correct me if I'm wrong, but it might have been him or not. But we're gonna say Andrew Jackson had a parrot, and the parrot came to his funeral, and the parrot had to be escorted out the funeral because it wouldn't stop cussing. Don't ask me how I know that. Just maybe I should. Now, see, when I seen a pig before, that's how they look. Why did that pig have so much? Ain't no way in hell you scared of some bacon. But how strong do y'all dogs be?
Jesse, but it's Valentine's Day.
Don't kiss that cat. Finna smack your ass.
She loves Valentine's Day.
Ooh, that's even worse. She bit you. Notice that all these folks that's getting hurt, they cat owners. That dog didn't hurt her. She hurt herself. Oh hell, that dog, that relentless. No, y'all not tripping. Ain't no sound on here. Y'all not tripping. I guess they must have cut it out for copyright purposes.
It's okay, baby. I know, baby. I know.
I know they hurt. Get off me, vile woman. Oh, he dumped your ass right in the water. He did that. He knew what he was doing. See, at least the dog made sure you was all right. The cowboy just kept going and maybe came back and pissed on you. I'm just saying. I don't know. I ain't speaking from experience. I'm just saying. Y'all not gonna help? Just gonna watch her struggle, huh? Interesting. Interesting. Oh! I need that dog. Bro, just take your right hand and just sock the cat. Just take your right hand and sock the cat. Look, he doing too much. What the hell is Beers doing?
Look at all the love. Oh, look at all the love. Can I have a kiss? Kisses. Wow.
Man, this video is 8 minutes, but I promise it's been longer than that.
My baby.
The Dolphin and Yankee. Come on, man, bring your ass. You going too slow.
Imagine you love frosting and filling.
I do love.
Imagine the ad being at the end of the
Imagine if there
video.
was a way to enjoy that delicious goodness.
That's like putting an ad at the end of the TV show. Don't nobody want to see that? The show over with. Damn, I know he hurt. And I'm talking about the dog. Man, I'm tired of seeing these cat, bro. How much longer I got? Yeah, I'm tired of seeing these cats. This one video, that's the last video. Look, man, if y'all like this video, enjoy the anything in nature, y'all make sure y'all leave a like, you comment, subscribe, and if you own cats, I'll holler at you later.
Oh God!
This nigga's on the ground crawling.
Nah, Cody, bro. You first night we played that.
Why are you just looking at